Good evening everyone and welcome to the Q&A session 5 from the chapter of Electromagnetic Induction. The topic is the validity of Maxwell's equations, and based on this topic I have one question for this session which was asked in the IIT-JEE main exam in the year 2023. So the question here is, which of the following equations are valid for time varying conditions but not for static conditions? So here we have been given 4 options and we have to find the correct option. Now we know that the Maxwell equations basically describe the behavior of the magnetic and the electrical field, and each equation has got a specific usage. So out of these 4 options, the third option is the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Now as per the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, a changing magnetic field produces a changing magnetic flux, and because of the changing magnetic flux, an EMF is induced in a closed loop, thereby producing an electrical field. Now in the static condition, the magnetic field does not change with time, and as a result of it, an EMF is not induced. Therefore we can say that the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction is valid for time varying conditions but not for static conditions. So the correct option here is C. And in the next session now I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same topic of Maxwell's equation. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.